Good morning, and thank you so much for being here. My name is Maura Shirey from Bodies for Birth, and today we're talking about postpartum exercise guidelines. So you got through pregnancy, stayed active, hopefully, and thrived, hopefully, in labor and delivery. And here you are postpartum, which can be such an overwhelming time in so many ways. For some women, you're really anxious to get back to exercise. For others, it's just kind of coping with motherhood. Wherever you are, it is important to get back to physical activity in the safest way possible. So that is going to be very individual in the same way prenatal exercise was individual. One of my foremost recommendations is that you absolutely connect with a women's health physical therapist, someone that specializes in the pelvic floor and in postpartum recovery. When you think about it, your core, your pelvic floor, has been under pressure for 9-10 months, and then it went through the work of labor and delivery. So even if you had a cesarean birth, your pelvic floor was still under pressure for the entire pregnancy. So I want you to absolutely reach out, connect with someone who specializes in this form of physical therapy, and head right there. I also want you to think about nourishing and nurturing your body as it recovers. This means getting proper rest, proper hydration, proper nutrition, and moving appropriately, moving safely. In those initial days, connect with your breath, connect with your core. Passive diaphragmatic breathing, active diaphragmatic breathing is absolutely the place to start. Begin to rebuild those neural connections to a core that's been overstretched. And then once that's established, once you've received that clearance for exercise, see a professional who can guide you in the appropriate way to resume exercise. I remember going for a jog about 5 or 6 weeks postpartum maybe, and feeling as though my entire pelvic floor was disintegrating. It was a horrible feeling, and I really had no idea where to turn. So meet up with someone who can absolutely point you in a safe direction for appropriate recovery. If you can rehab appropriately, safely, right away, you have a better chance of staying active and getting much stronger, rehabilitating in the proper way. So I offer postpartum services, one-on-ones, and postpartum group training to get you moving safely. But in those initial days, connect with your core, connect with your breath. I'm going to elaborate on the finer details of postpartum recovery in the complimentary blog, so be sure to visit that. But know that, just get out for walks, gentle walks, do your breathing, see a women's health PT, rest, eat well, stay hydrated, listen to your body as you begin the work of recovery postpartum, and really nurture yourself as you transition to motherhood, whether it's the first time or the fifth time. Thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing more of you, hopefully in the Facebook group and in person. See you next time. Bye.